Hello families, and welcome to a Family Core app tutorial. It's always important for families to stay connected, but sometimes sharing phone numbers may not be an option. Thankfully, the Family Core app can counter this problem with its chat feature. This allows users to message each other. To access the chat, tap the word bubble icon on the top right of the page. It's between the plus icon and your profile image. This will open the message center. Here you have the option to message all logged-in members, either individually by tapping the user's icon, or in a group chat, which you can create by tapping the pencil icon in the right corner and then selecting the members you want to include. Or hop onto an existing chat that already includes you. Also, if you want to quickly minimize the chat overlay, just tap the line next to the X icon. And then the chat will turn into a speech bubble icon on the lower right-hand side of the screen, which you can open and close whenever you want. To get a better view of the message center, just tap on the View All Messages at the bottom of the overlay window. Here you can view all of the members you can message in the chats you are part of. From here, you could also edit the chats by tapping on the one you want to change and then tapping on the 3 dots next to the chat's name. Here you can edit the chat's name, though unless a user is an admin, the edit will only be visible to the member who changes it. You can also add and remove people from chats. And as an admin, you can delete chats entirely. If you don't want anyone to chat with you, just go to your setting, which you can access by tapping on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. Then, in your profile, go to Manage Account, and then scroll down until you see the chat section. Tap on the toggle switch, on or off, to let people chat with you. As an admin, you can also restrict individual members' chat privileges. While still in your profile page, go to Manage Family. And then tap on the user's profile icon to access their settings. Then go to their permissions section. And scroll down until you see the chat section. You can either restrict them from using the chat entirely by switching the toggle switch off, or from starting individual chats with particular members by tapping Create New Chat Restriction, and then tapping on the members you want to block them from. To add on to the list, tap the box to open the drop-down menu. And to undo restrictions, just tap on the profile icon you want to unrestrict the user from while in this section. And now you know how to use the chat feature on the Family Core app. Life can be chaotic. We help make it simple. Download Family Core today. And thank you for tuning in.